Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Legacy gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever, typically found on the floor near the driver's seat. Pull this lever firmly upwards. You should hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. Then, simply walk to the rear of your car, open the fuel door, and twist the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If your fuel door isn't opening, start by ensuring all your car doors are unlocked, as newer Subaru models often link the fuel door lock to the central locking system. Next, visually inspect the fuel door area for any debris or ice that might be preventing it from opening. Sometimes, a gentle push on the fuel door while simultaneously pulling the interior release lever can help dislodge it. If the lever feels unusually stiff, the cable might need lubrication. Should the standard method fail, your Subaru Legacy is equipped with a manual override. Open your trunk and look for a small access panel or trim piece on the side closest to the fuel door. Carefully remove this panel. Behind it, you should find an emergency release strap or lever. Pull this mechanism to manually unlatch the fuel door. This is a helpful backup if the primary release cable is stuck or broken. Once you've refueled, replace the gas cap, turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks to ensure a tight seal. Then, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches securely. Regular checks of your fuel cap and door mechanism can prevent future issues. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.